Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to be showing you something pretty cool here that I just noticed today. This right here is my Dapple Dandy Pluot. As you can see, I prune it to half a tree, growing out this way and not this way. That way I have a path to get through to my garage. So I'm going to continue pruning it as such. But something interesting I've noticed today about the Dapple Dandy Pluot, as you can see on the trunk of the tree, the side that faces the afternoon sun I've painted white with interior latex paint and water mixed, 50-50 mixture. And here is my Flavor Grenade Pluot that I also painted as well, as you can see here on the trunk. But I had to paint more of the limbs and even some branches, as you can see. You see how open it is and airy? Naturally, I didn't prune it this way. It just is that open. Now let's compare this Flavor Grenade Pluot to the Dapple Dandy. And I'm going to show you why it's very interesting and also a hardier variety of Pluot than this Flavor Grenade. So let me interject here. The Flavor Grenade Pluot is a great variety and it produces an abundant amount of fruit. But anyways, back to this Dapple Dandy. As you can see again, I painted the trunk, but when we get to the branches, it's totally covered by leaves. Nowhere can you see a branch. You can see some right here, but I think I pruned this because I didn't want it to grow this way. So if I didn't prune any of this, this would have all been covered. Then we'll go in the center. And just every square inch of branch is covered. So the potential of spring and summer sun scald is minimal compared to other varieties I grow. Not many people know, though, that you can get sun scald in the winter as well. So this doesn't mean that I shouldn't paint this Dapple Dandy ever. I should paint it in the winter, which I did not this past winter. Lulu, say hi. I think she's smelling the neighbor's barbecue. So here's another angle. As you can see, the leaves just cover almost every square inch of the branch. Now when I purchased this Dapple Dandy Pluot, this type of growth, you can see the big fruit, this type of growth was throughout. It grew like that all the way down to the floor. I just been plucking them off when I see the buds growing out on the trunk. And in comparison, let's take a look at the apple, and you can see how open it is without me pruning, how much limbs are showing. So definitely the Dapple Dandy Pluot, at least in my garden, has a bit of an advantage in the prevention of sun scalding. Alright everyone, happy gardening. Lulu, do you want to say bye? Lulu! Whatever. Great, a squirrel. Happy gardening everyone. Bye.